full body workout, it's your mind workout as well, and relaxation and meditation, and it has so many psychological benefits to exercise outdoor. You may not even think about it.
Today, I am meeting Nataliya Kovaleva, a professional model, dancing wakesurfer, and wakesurf coach. She became popular after her wakesurfing videos went viral on social media.
Hello everyone, very nice to meet you. And I'm gonna coach you how to wake surf, and we're gonna have so much fun.
See that wave pattern the boat is generating in its trail? That's wake, and that is Nataliya surfing the wake. Looks simple, right? Well, hold that thought. It's similar to wakeboarding, but with some differences. The main one is you don't get to hold a rope all through the surf.
Let's half it in between of the middle.
We start our class by first learning some basics.
So that's your starting position in the water.
Then some practice on the trampoline, as it closely simulates the movements of the wakeboard on water. Now, time to get on the boat. Wake surfing boats are especially designed to generate a strong wake, but they aren't so fast that you get hurt if you take a fall.
Things you need to remember. Heels down, straight back, straight arms, bend knees. Straight arm.
Nataliya first does a demonstration.
We're gonna try the goofy demonstration. Perfect. Your knees are close to your shoulders and your hands between your feet. Do sit up. Stabilize yourself and slowly stand up.
You catch the wake using a tow rope first. When you find your balance, just let go of the rope and ride the wake. Lean forward to go faster and backward to slow down. Sounds simple. Let's give it a try. Getting ready.
Heels down, heels down, heels down. Let go.
And no. Another try.
Heels down, yes. Look right.
And no.
Actually, far more demanding because you can feel the power from the boat and yeah.
But
It's not easy.
Nataliya says for beginners the most difficult part is to stand up on the board. But even after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 attempts, I still couldn't make it.
I drank a lot of seawater. Just that when you try this, like all the water somehow, my board is not against the water, and it all comes to my mouth.
The pull from the boat is stronger than expected and requires a lot of strength to balance. I decided to take a break and observe how Nataliya does it. You can attempt a variety of tricks while riding the wake. Most of them require you to adjust your posture, edge, and distribution weight, so you could fly up into the air when you hit the wake.
when you learn already how to wake surf, you don't really notice how physically demanding it is, but it's a full body workout, mostly for your legs, but your core works as well.
Okay, enough of watching. I am going to give it another try. This time, it works. If only briefly, I managed to stand on the board and experience wake surfing. With a bit of practice, I can surely go further. So how costly is this sport in Hong Kong?
It ranges from about 1K to 2K. Also highly recommend to ask your friend to film you so you can reflect on what you've been doing wrong and correct it next time you go.
Nataliya suggests you rent a boat for about 2 to 3 hours with your friends and take turns to practice. She says it's suitable for people of all ages and all levels experience. So those with skateboarding or snowboarding experience, you may pick it up more quickly.
Okay, what a day. I really loved the experience today, and I want to say thank you so much for your patience.
I'm really happy with your progress. You were very determined and you managed to hit your goal. I'm very proud of you. Congratulations.
Finally, stand up. Yay!
Yeah, you did it. Just go for it. Enjoy some weather, enjoy the outdoor activities. Try it. You'll love it.
And just to enjoy the water fun. And we'll see you next time. Bye.